Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by minimizing variables. Plug into Ethernet if possible and pause big downloads. Run a 30-second speed test and note ping and jitter so you have a baseline. Once done, close streaming, cloud sync, and VPNs that steal upload or increase latency. This immediately reduces packet loss. Make sure your router is in performance mode or rebooted if it hasn't been for days. These prep steps let you see real improvements when you change settings on Chess, COM, and your OS. Now tune the software. Enable low latency or performance mode in the Chess, COM app or browser tab, and disable unnecessary browser extensions that inject scripts. Update your browser, the Chess, COM app, and GPU drivers, then clear cache and cookies to avoid stale assets causing delays. Once done, set Chess, COM to high priority in your firewall or router co-s so packets get preferred routing. Make sure power settings are on performance mode so the CPU and network stack don't throttle during games. Finish by testing in a real game and observing responsiveness. Play a rapid match or use the practice board to confirm. If you still see lag, switch Chess, COM servers, or change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 because routing issues can cause spikes. If problems persist, capture a short network log showing the timestamps and ping spikes, then contact Chess. COM support, include game ID and times. One key troubleshooting tip. Try another device on the same network to isolate whether the issue is local to your computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.